From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using a remote control that's difficult to navigate in the dark? The adjustable bed replacement backlit remote from FUOUG is here to change that. This innovative remote control features LED lights that illuminate the buttons, making it easy to use even in the darkest of rooms. With its broad compatibility, this remote control can be used with a variety of adjustable bed bases, including Old Gen Adjust-A-Magic Sealy, Serta, Raven, Wall Hugger, and Orthomatic series bases. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ease of use and reliability. The battery installation process is straightforward, and the remote control typically does not require complex pairing procedures, allowing you to start using it right away. The soft touch of the buttons and the gentle glow of the LED lights make it a pleasure to use, and the sound of the buttons clicking into place is reassuring. The reliable service guarantee provided by FUOUG gives you peace of mind, knowing that if you have any questions or issues, their team will respond promptly to resolve your problems. This remote control is perfect for anyone who wants to upgrade their adjustable bed experience, and its backlit feature is especially useful for those who like to read or watch TV in bed. With its top-rated performance and guaranteed satisfaction, this remote control is a great choice for anyone looking to replace their old remote control. In real-life use, this remote control has proven to be a game changer, allowing users to effortlessly adjust their bed to the perfect position. The backlit feature is especially useful in the middle of the night, when you don't want to disturb your partner. Overall, the adjustable bed replacement backlit remote from FUOUG is a well-designed and reliable product that is definitely worth considering. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.